Get Smart Plus 3. How to make paper plate clock. Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a paper plate clock. But don't worry, it's going to be easy. All you have to do is follow the instructions. Good luck! You'll need colored paper, paper plate, colored pencil or marker pens, ribbons or rope, a pair of scissors, and glue. Draw numbers on the paper plate. It is easier if you start writing 12, 3, 6 and 9 first. Now, if you don't have paper plate, it's okay. Just draw a circle on a piece of paper and cut it out. You can also print the numbers. Cut and paste the numbers nicely on the plate. But be careful using scissors. Draw 2 arrows of different lengths on a piece of paper. You can use colored paper or plain A4 paper. You can also print the arrows. Color both arrows, then cut them out. Make a hole on the center of the plate using scissors. Make a small hole on the arrows as well. Be very careful not to tear them apart. Cut a ribbon or any rope or string and tie a knot. Then slide the ribbon through the small hole on the arrows. Slide the ribbon through the hole on the paper plate. Then tie another knot. Make sure to tie the knot tightly, but not too tight. Now you can decorate your paper plate clock. Use your own creativity to decorate. Ta-da! Now you have a paper plate clock. Great job, everyone! Happy crafting, everyone! Let me know in the comment section if you actually tried this. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you later. I hope you have fun. Bye-bye.